Welcome. Today we'll explore how to disable videos from starting with sounds on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Launch the app and log into your account to access your newsfeed. Step 2. Tap on the three-line menu icon located in the upper right corner of the app. This will open a menu with various options for customization. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings to access the settings for your Facebook account. Step 4. In the Settings menu, continue scrolling down until you find the Media option. Tap on Media to access media-related settings on Facebook. Step 5. Within the Media settings, look for the option related to video sound settings. Unmark the option that says Videos start with sounds. This will prevent videos from automatically playing with sound when scrolled past. By following these steps, you can customize your Facebook app settings to disable videos from starting with sounds. Enjoy a quieter browsing experience and have more control over the audio playback of videos on your feed. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable videos from starting with sounds on Facebook. Adjust your settings to ensure a more peaceful browsing experience without unexpected audio interruptions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay informed about the latest updates and features on social media platforms for a more personalized user experience.